In this video, I will give you fixes on iPhone keeps disconnecting with Bluetooth accessories like AirPods, car Bluetooth, portable speaker, and fitness tracking devices. The first easy solution is restart both the devices to force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up button and firmly press and release volume down button. Now press and hold the power button only until you see the Apple logo on screen. Then restart the Bluetooth device as well. Once you restart the devices, try to connect and check the issue is solved. Ensure that both devices are as close as possible and remove the interface between them if any. If this solution is not helpful, then the number 2 solution is forget and reconnect Bluetooth. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to Bluetooth, tap on the I button next to the Bluetooth device name, and tap on the Forget this device option. Again, confirm with the Forget device option. Now disable and enable the Bluetooth toggle to join Bluetooth devices to your iPhone under other devices. If this solution is not helpful, then try to reset network settings. Reset network settings will erase all network connections at once and returning them to factory defaults like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to General option. Again, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone option and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm with your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if enabled. Again, tap on the Reset Network Settings option in the confirmation pop-up. In the next solution, turn off low power mode. Due to low power mode, iOS system and app you installed on your iPhone stop Bluetooth automatically. Request low power mode, turn off all background activity. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Battery. Turn off the low power mode toggle if it's enabled. Also, keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to General and Software Update. Download and install any pending software updates. If the issue is related to other wrong settings, then I recommend resetting all settings of your iPhone to default. During this process, you will not lose any data from your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to General. Again, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset option and tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if enabled. After rebooting your iPhone, try to connect again with the Bluetooth device. If none of the solutions works, then contact Apple support. You can report your problem by phone, chat, or email. Or you can go to the Apple Store and schedule an appointment at an Apple Store near you. Link is given in video description and pinned comment. Later on, you can decide to downgrade the current version or wait for a new iOS update with a new connectivity bug fix. That's all about basic to pro fixes for Bluetooth not working on iPhone or connecting and disconnecting itself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.